What would you consider to be the end of the bull market? Ooh, great question. Man, I love that question. End of the bull market. It depends when my indicators go off. It really does. Because we may this time have an extended bull market, extended cycle, but we won't know until it happens. That's the downside. Now, the cycles generally for the bull run end in November. Now, this is alpha, guys. This is alpha. This is bull run season. So this is what we normally see. In the bull cycle, January, run up. March, April, starts to kind of cooling off, it starts coming down. Then we come all the way down and then finally start curving back up June, July. Then October to November, it usually starts curving down. So to answer your question, when do I think the cycle, bear cycle, is going to happen? Normally November, it should come down. Now, again, we could have an extended cycle. This is when you have to look at higher highs, higher lows, lower highs, moving averages, possibly point of control. There's a lot of different ways to kind of see if we're losing support, or rather when we're losing support, because we could lose the support in November, which is expected, or we could lose that support in February of the following year, or maybe March, when things should be starting, change. They're changing because of the current market. So I hope that answers the question. Right now, even though we're down 15, 30, 40%, you get paid, put some more money in there. And you'll see that in these next months, you're gonna be so glad you did. This is the time where everything takes off, everything. Come January, February, we may have some more pullbacks or whatever, but that's only to allow us to get a better price so that we could have a higher percentage increase. So just gonna let you know, guys, like this is what we've been waiting for. My trading has improved greatly since I joined your group. Thank you. This is my group. If you cannot afford this, some people can't afford this, and I don't want any barriers. I want zero barriers. One, you can watch it for free. Ask me questions. This is a 1 hour I dedicate to you. So you can ask questions about indicators, about trading styles, about just questions you may have. There are no dumb questions. They're either questions we've had before or haven't thought of. Now, if you want to help support the channel, well, then here's 3 different tiers. The higher the tier, the more you get. We got training videos. You have access to me. I respond extremely quick. Reach out to me on Telegram. It's trade_intuition. Ask me, hey, what does your group do that others don't? I had one of my members message me at 1:48, sending me this contract address and saying, hey man, there's a lot of these out there. What do I even look at? I don't even know. And I said, okay, man, no problem. So let me go ahead and do something for you. So notice the time. This is very important to me. Notice the time, 1:48. This is a 3-minute video. The time is 2:01. Same day, the 19th. When I tell you that I am in these charts all day long, it is no joke. Anybody who's in my group, my goal is to make the money. I'm literally doing research all day long, charts all day long, DMs all day long, group all day long. This is what I do. So if you want somebody who's dedicated like that, join the group. But the time is within 10 minutes, I made a 3-minute video for them. Everything that I say is from experience. This is what's going to save you so much time, so much money, and so much effort. If you want to make money, I will show you how. I would strongly recommend getting the VIP. You're going to make money. Now, granted, none of this is financial advice. It's never hopes and dreams and empty promises, nothing like that. See what I do. See if this makes you money. I give you my real life experience based off of my trainings, based off of my teachings, what I would do at that moment versus what everybody else does, because they want to sell you their course. They want to sell you all that stuff. I show you that my stuff works. Do we win? Yes. Do we lose? Sometimes. That's part of the game. But what I do is I show you all this so that you can see, oh man, I lost today, but Joe said he lost too. So it's okay. That's what I want you to realize, guys. If you like the content that I provide, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel if you're not already, and leave me a comment in the comment box. And I'll see you on the next video. And as always, let's make this money.